Sup, Kitche? Kids, instruct. Hello. Wayo. Shout out to all of my viewers, followers of Kuya Novo and viewers, subscribers of Kuya Novo YouTube and Facebook. Shout out. Now we have this activity, and this is what we call monkey bridge. And I'm going to perform and make one here in Chuuk. So making sure that our work is very safety, especially to our kids. And shout out to Repson and JD. JD wearing blue and Repson wearing brown. Thank you very much. You are helping me during the activity. So guys, watch as we are making and with our kids experiencing this very dangerous. But now I converted this activity into very simple and safety activity. Thank you and watch this. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Oh, that's Sipsan. Oh, wait. Woo! Go watch. Okay, go watch. Hold first, hold. 1, hold. Okay, not all together, up. Left and right, yes, that's it. Good job, good. Up. Woo! Okay, good. Next. Hold. One at a time. Like this. Ayo, Kira. Slowly. Woo! How is group 1? No? Okay, wait. One at a time. Okay, good job. Go watch. Next. Woo! Go watch properly. Hold. Ira. Hold. Good. Hold. Alright, so this is monkey bridge in Chuuk. That's I think 10 feet. Okay, next. Careful ah, careful. Easy. Hold, hold, hold. Okay. There we go. Next. Go what's first. Okay. Hold, hold. Ewen, Kitcho. Sap, Ewen, Kitcho. Up. How was this? Not all together. Just. Alright, good job, boy. Woo! Alright. Woo! Sap kitche. Instruct. Sipson ha. Left, right. Woohoo! Okay, leader, instruct. Then step. Step. Okay. Slowly. Tira. Woo. Okay. Almost, almost. All right. Okay, next. Careful. Easy, boy. Woohoo! Yeah. Hold step. Okay, careful. Woo!
Wow, very nice.
Okay. Okay. Woohoo! Okay, easy. Awes. Ladies in a selfa sayo. Oh, up. Selfa, Sipson, then JD and Sipson. Okay, kawats.
Ma.
Ha? Kawats, kawats. Wait, wait. Relax, relax. Alright, so this is monkey breeds.
Don't cry.
Monkey Bridge in Chuuk.
Yes, I go. Yes, I go.
Okay, easy, easy. Okay, easy. Whoop. Anak radia ra kasa kanang nabitaw brace. Woohoo! How about group 2 hours? Ah! How about group 3 hours? Oh. Eme! Woohoo! Okay, next. Hold. Oh, that's now Tyralin. Capson. For Capson, Tyralin in action now. Alright, easy. Hold first. Yup. And then step. Yan, ikaw sa. Dili sa sila. Isip mo na sila. Step mo first. Now, step pa. Ano? Step pa. Oy! Ako ang gabi mo. Ala ka niya. Trying to. Ala ka yan. Kuha ni mami oh. Pagdali. Woo!
Oh!
Alright, the leader now.
The leaders! Up! Don't break!